Hi guys, this is me, Annabelle. Today is a different content. I am going to show you how I do my eyebrows. So I'm receiving a lot of requests on doing this tutorial about they're asking me how I do my eyebrows. So I'm gonna do this for you only guys. So I hope you like it. Okay guys, this is how I look in the end after I'm gonna show you how I did it. Okay, so first of all, I use 3 products to do this, to do my eyebrows. So I have these 3. These are all from Anastasia. This is the eyebrow brush. It's number 12. And then this one is the Dip Brow Pomade. Okay. And this one is the Brow Powder Duo. It has 2 colors. This is their best selling. Okay. So these are the 3 products that I'm going to use in this tutorial, and this is what I use in my eyebrows, in my everyday or special occasions, everything. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna comb my eyebrow using this part of the brush. Okay. There you go. And then I'm gonna start doing this. I'm gonna use this. This is Dip Brow Pomade. Color of this is chocolate. I use chocolate. So you dip it here in the pot. And then don't put this right away in the. So what I do is I have a tissue here, a napkin, and then I do like that on the edge. Then I will start doing this. This helps define my brows and creates a fuller look. So I'll put it in the bottom of my brow. Okay, that's how I do it. See? Create, because that's the shape that I wanted to do with my brow. So after that, I always wipe my brush and move on to the next step, which is the brow powder. I'm using this chocolate brow powder duo. This is actually their best selling. So this is how it look like. It has 2 colors. So usually the proper thing to do is you use the 2 colors and blend it, and then use the dark colors to the brow that has, you know, the bald spots on your brow. You do that, and then do the lighter one on the brows that has more hair, you know. So sometimes I'm in a hurry, so I do only one. The darkest one can really match my hair, because that's how you choose the color of your brow. You match the color of your hair. So this is what I do. Let's do this. And then I put it, just apply it on your brow. And then top, and then apply. Okay, so just continue this until you reach what you want for your brow. I like to put mine darker, because the darker your brow it, gives you more young looking. You see you look younger. So don't forget, this is to blend, okay? To blend the brow powder, as well as the pomade that we put to define the brow. You blend that. You always blend well, okay? So the brow powder, it creates a beautiful and natural brow effect. This is very important part of the brush because it really help you blend the brow, okay? The brow powder, I mean. Okay, so you can see there's bald spots here, so just put more. Even now. Blend, blend, blend. There you go, guys. Okay. So if there's excess here, just do like that. Here you go, guys. Then you're gonna do the other one. Okay, of course. Or if you want, just go outside, go to work like this, and make a trend. So, I'm gonna do the next one over here, okay? So here you go, guys. This is how I look. This is the finished product. So this is actually like my everyday brow look. Okay. If you want it more bigger, not bigger but thicker, put more powder. And if you want to add more definitions, you use the deep brow pomade. Okay, and always don't forget to get this. This is really important tool for the eyebrows. This is to blend and this is to apply. Okay? I hope you like it, guys, and if you want me to do more like this, just put in the comment below, and then also you can subscribe, like, and share my channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.